Hello everyone, welcome back to the beautiful channel of delicacy, easy recipes, quick recipes, traditional recipes. So guys, today I'm back on this chicken, the KFC chicken, together with its KFC's coleslaw. Guys, I hope you know there's a difference between the coleslaw that I did and this case. KFC has a special coleslaw. So I'm going to do the KFC coleslaw and I will serve it with KFC chicken. So if you are not told you have not subscribed, consider subscribing to this channel with amazing videos. Please view these videos until the end. And if at all your notification bell is not on, switch it on so that you can always be updated on the videos. Otherwise, let's get to the cooking. Ingredients that I'm going to use for the KFC coleslaw. I have this cabbage, I have carrots, I have onions, I have lemon, or if you don't have lemon, you can use white vinegar. I have black pepper and I have milk as well. So keep tuned this video keenly. If at all you've been watching videos in this channel where I did some cholesterol, I've already done a few, at least two different cholesterol. This is the third one, but they are different. If you look at them keenly, you'll notice the differences. So this is the cabbage that I'm going to use. This is done. So for the carrots, I'm not going to do it anyway the way I've been doing the others. I'll do it this side, this way. So I guess these are just enough. Onions, we are not going to cut it this way, but we'll do the downer part. So we'll use the same blend. So the best one for KFC is this white one. Then, because it's not much, just that of sugar is just enough. Then I will add some little milk, then black pepper, and lastly mayonnaise. So guys, keep tuned. Then lastly guys, just 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, because already milk. So I will mix everything. I hope guys you can see the difference between the KFC coleslaw and the other coleslaw. So guys, keep tuned. So I'll just transfer it. Look at now, this is the KFC mayonnaise. See how beautiful it looks. It looks so yummy. So you can tell the difference between this coleslaw the KFC coleslaw homemade compared to the normal coleslaw, compared to the traditional coleslaw in this channel. You'll see they have different content, they consist on different ingredients, and please try them out. View my videos, share. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. But the video is still on because I'm going to serve it. Keep tuned. So guys, this is the coleslaw for KFC. You can see. So this is how it is served. I have my KFC here. Very, very nice. KFC. So guys, just make your KFC at home. Look, so yummy with some coleslaw here. KFC coleslaw. Yes, you can only find this in from Rebikit Foods, a channel of delicacies. Wow, so delicious, guys. Please just DM me and tell me what next you want me to shoot. I'll give you what you want. Otherwise, thank you. Try this out.